Today, I will show you how to easily schedule group messages on your LyfQuest platform. Now, to send out a group message, we can also do that from chat, or we can do it from here since we're already here. We're going to select groups. I'm going to select the Financial Freedom Investment Group, and it shows me all the people involved in this group. Now I can send them a chat. I can add a resource from my computer or from my resources page. And here I'm going to add a link. Information for you. And again, I can send it out immediately, or I can schedule it to go out on a certain time. And it will go out in each client's own time zone. Here are the people in my Financial Freedom Investment Group. And these are the people who will receive the scheduled chat message. Looks like I received the chat message. And it comes up as Berta Wallace. She is looking for information on budgeting. Now, the scheduled chat message is going out to her on November 16th, but that message has nothing to do with budgeting. So I'm going to leave that right now, and I'm going to go and find information for Berta on budgeting. Here we go. Add the link, and it's sent. Now Berta has sent me another question. Do I have any other financial info? Now I can choose to skip it and send her information, or I can hit the send button and send it to her. Now remember, when I send this information to her, it will still be scheduled for everyone else in the group. So I'm going to send that to her now. Now, everyone else in the group will still receive the scheduled message. So let's take a look, and let's look at client A. Client A still has a scheduled chat to go out on November 16th. So whether you send or skip for one individual person will not affect the other people in the group. Remember, in your scheduled chat, you can always send it out at a specified time to go to your client or a group. You can always go to your client's profile page to edit the message, the date or the time, or you can delete the message so that they don't receive it. Remember that when you send out a chat to a group, even if you alter it for one person, that doesn't change it for the whole group. It's only for that one person. If you want to cancel a scheduled chat after it's been sent, you'll have to go to the client's profile page to delete it. Thank you for watching, and check out our YouTube channel for more useful tutorials for setting up a successful LyfQuest platform.